Hi everyone, today I'll be filming my very first luxury unboxing and it features my favorite brand, Hermes. This has been a bag that I've been dreaming of getting for the longest time, and when I finally got it earlier this year in the exact same specs that I wanted my very first Holy Grail Hermes bag to be in, I was surprised. Let me get right into the unboxing. The Hermes bags and whatever you buy from Hermes comes with the receipt that is in this envelope, and here it is. I have unboxed this earlier when I brought it home from the boutique, but I had wanted to film this unboxing, especially since it is my dream bag from Hermes. And it comes with all the wrappings and stuff. And here it is. It has all of the care instructions, and this bag also comes with the raincoat. Can anyone guess what this bag is? I've already tied a twilly on it that I bought together with this bag. And it is my very first Kelly 25 in the color Rouge de Coeur. I think that's how it's pronounced. And it is in Togo leather in gold hardware. So here's a close-up of how the bag looks. It is in the rattan style, and this is the back. And it is the most gorgeous red Hermes bag I've ever seen. So let me just remove the felt protector. Inside the bag, there is the clochette, and it also comes with the shoulder strap. So this is how it looks like without the felt protector. You can see that there is the Hermes logo over there. And then of course it has all the protective seals still on the bag. And then inside the bag there is a front pocket right here. And then behind there is a zip compartment. This is how the bag looks like when it is closed, and I've also placed the clochette and the keys onto the bag. This is another way that I would style my Kelly, just have it closed completely so that it has a very clean and elegant look. I find that this goes super well, especially for dinners or events. Another reason why I bought a twilly to accompany this bag is because it protects the handles of the bag, especially from like natural oil that comes from your hands when you carry the bag, and also it adds a very playful touch to the Kelly. Of course, you can always carry the Kelly on its own. You don't actually need a twilly. It's just that it is my preference that I prefer to have a twilly on all of my bags, just to protect the leather. And also insert some mod shots of me carrying the bag. My height is 168 cm, and I find that with the shoulder strap it is a perfect length for my height. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you will subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye!